Today I'm going to show you how to install a brand new machine. I have few recommendations before you start, or better to say, if you didn't unpack your washing machine, what you need to do. The first thing, and it is really important, is inspection, especially if you didn't get it personally, you got it by delivery service. You want to check exterior. If there is no damage, make a video about it, because that is the proof that you got your appliance, washing machine in this case, in a normal condition without any visible exterior damage. When you finish with that, you can proceed with removing transportation protection. Okay, when you do initial unpacking like this, you want to check again for any visible damage. This is the point. If you notice something, you want to report it to the place where you make the purchase, and you have the proof when you received your appliance that everything is fine. So let's assume that everything is okay, so let's proceed further with installation. There is always something in the drum. You want to take everything out. In this case we have user manual, water hose and hose holder. I don't need this now, so you can remove that. Always check the drum. There shouldn't be any strange noises. On the back of a washing machine there are screws, transport protection screws for the drum, which needs to be removed. This is really important, and one of most important things which needs to be done. I definitely need something stronger than this. For this Beko washer dryer we have 1, 2, 3, 4 drum security screws. So pop them up. It should go fairly easy when unscrewed completely. Okay, everything is out. Now you want to take that bag which you got, caps for the holes, okay, one more. This is a great moment to take your hose. It is a water inlet hose. Check out that you have rubber seals in every hose. It should be like this, spaced evenly at the bottom. The angled part is going on the machine, and this straight part is going in your water input. Keep in mind that if you need a longer hose, you should buy your hose of different size and length. So it should go like this. Every washing machine will usually have sticker like this, which you should pull, and after that you want to angle your machine a bit, and at the bottom you should find something like this. This is also transport protection, and it should be removed. Quite important. Before we proceed and place the washing machine at the design spot, what you want to do is to tighten all four, you can see probably all 4 legs, and I will explain you why. Because when all 4 are tightened and your washing machine is not leveled at the design spot, it is a lot easier at that point to just unscrew where it's needed to get a bit of support, and when it is like this, you don't know which one is more tightened than another one. When you tighten all four, you basically start from the beginning, and it is a lot easier. So just follow me and you will be happy in the end, and you will save a lot of money by doing it yourself and not calling a guy to do it for you. Okay, we are done with this. At this point you can put your washer at desired place where it should be, and after that we are going in further hoses installation. So this is where I need to put my washer. It is quite tight, so let's do it. Wasn't the best, but I couldn't do it better. Okay, at this point you want to take out, actually if you have a spacey bathroom, you don't have problem like this, but when you have this narrow space like me, you need to think about everything. So take your cables and everything that can be needed. The drain hose goes here, so I need to take it out. The great thing is that there are these clips for everything, so that is quite cool. Okay, we have hoses outside, so just continue to angle move your washer. Okay, at this point we are quite ready to start connecting everything up. So what you want to do at this point is start with drain hose. In my case it is quite simple. I have this drain hose coming from my wall, and I just need to tighten this screw and everything is ready. You don't want for hose to go too much beyond the height of the machine drain hose, so you want it to be something like this. That is completely fine. A water hose is going like this, and like with the connection on the machine itself, you want to check a rubber seal to be completely flat and looking nicely inside. And when you're placing it on the screw, you want it to start going really fluently. You see how easily I can move it. That is a good connection start. After that you tighten it, and that's it. No leakage at all. And finally we have electricity, but I won't do it right now. The next really important thing is balancing your washer, and I'm gonna show you right now how to do it. So do you remember when I told you that you need to screw in all the legs completely until the end, so the clockwise direction? At this point, when your washing machine is on the spot where you want it to be, you want to place your hand on the angles of the top and start shaking it like this. If there is no movement, your machine is leveled. What I notice here is that I have a tiny bit of movement is in this diagonal. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push the washing machine with my hand and move it on the top a bit, and actually I need to move it a little bit back. So I need to do like this and do anti-clockwise like a half of turn and recheck. Already looks better, or better to say feels better. So do a bit of going back like this and recheck. I think it is fine. I always like to be rock solid. I'm gonna tighten this a bit, so the clockwise direction. Also, you want to avoid your washing machine to touch anything around your feet, because it can easily, vibrations can go and flip over everything from, let's say, from this. Everything can fall over from vibrations when it is doing a final spin. It feels nice right now. It feels quite on the spot. Let's turn it on. Okay, it is alive. That is a good thing. You want to recheck the drum to see if everything is fine. Everything looks good. Okay, at this point you want to let water flow and place your hand on the back where the connection for water, and feel if there is any water leaking. In my case, everything feels perfect. And let's not forget, in my case, to screw this in. That won't be good. We don't want neighbors to get water in their apartment. Okay, it feels perfect. Let's do a rinse. I'm gonna just let the water go in and see if there is any leakage. Okay, this is the water pump working to get water out, because we are doing a rinse cycle. Okay, that is water going in. Great. Again, recheck the back. Super. Completely dry, nothing feeling. Everything feels great for now. We're gonna pause that and do a spin drain on the 1400. It's gonna get the water outside to this hose. So I'm gonna check if everything is good. It should start anytime soon to drain the water from the drum. Actually, it is already doing. It is. That's it. That's it. It is perfect. Okay, let's wait for final spin and see if there are excessive vibrations. That would mean that I need to balance the machine with the legs on the bottom again, but I think it will be good. So let's wait for 1400 final spin. We are at 1400 RPMs, and it is perfectly leveled. I really like how everything looks, and I really hope this video helped you install your washing machine. In this case it is a washer dryer, but it is the same thing. I hope you enjoyed. Consider subscribing and liking this video. Comment down below if you have any advice, and until next time, see you.